Keep picking up Mickey and letting him fall on me. You're knocking on Mickey? Say hello. Hi, Mickey. Whoop. And you let him fall on you. You want Mickey to fall on you. And you're pulling him back on you. He pulls him to him. Mickey's staying right there. Careful. Now what? Uh-oh, Mickey fell all the way down now. What are you gonna do? Gregory. Now see the blinds moving, Mommy. Oh, what's that? Looking backwards. Careful. 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 Yeah. Silly boy. Silly boy. Silly boy. Don't bite, Mommy.